Hundreds of thousands of molds have been made by us in decades. Every customer's mold is stored indefinitely at Zhongde. And every 3 years or so, we check in with past customers to see if they would like us to continue storing their mold. The molding process begins by milling a block of metal into a mold. Typically, we fabricate molds from steel to improve mold's life and product's quality. But sometimes we turn to other materials if required. And then an EDM or WEDM will be used for a final touch-up, depending on the part characteristics. Once mold machining is finished, we will carry out manual polishing and assembly. In our CNC machining area, we machining parts rather than molds. We have CNC mills and lathes offering 3 and 5 axis milling, as well as turning with 3 axes, processing both plastic and metal materials. These fully automatic machines are the key for efficient production and high-quality products.